Hey, first graders, it is Thursday. We're going to go over our worksheets together. Here's what you need to know. Your worksheet is you're doing the back of the worksheet you did yesterday. Now, if for some reason you already did the back of it, then you're already done for today. But if not, you'll find it in the last section that you did your work in, kind of like we do with our writing pages. So we're using them for different days. Okay, so we're going to start with class fact homework 127B. Okay, I want you to take a few minutes to work on it, and I will bring up one that looks like it. I have to share my screen so that you can see what I can see. I'm going to do that right now. So you can write your name at the top. These are differences of 2. That means if it's an even or odd number beside, like the next even or odd number, then your answer is going to be 2. If it's a number that's right beside each other on the number line, like 8 and 7, then your answer is going to be 1. That's a difference of 1. So differences of 2, even in odd numbers, is skip counting. So that's why the answer would be 2. When you have numbers beside each other on the number line, it's the next number. That's why the answer would be 1. Okay, then there's some review facts on there. Now, we did talk in math today about another kind of subtraction fact. We're not going to do that on this paper. We'll do that on another paper. So this is just reviewing facts that we have already talked about. Differences of 2, differences of 1, minus 1, minus 0, stuff like that, minus 2. Okay, so take a minute to do this worksheet, and then you can pause the video and do this worksheet, and then you can come back and we'll check it. All right, hopefully you got all the answers written down there. We'll go through the answers together here. We have 4 minus 2 equals 2, 8 minus 7 equals 1, 6 minus 0 equals 6, 7 minus 5 equals 2, 4 minus 3 equals 1. So check your work for that row. You can give yourself a check mark or smiley face if you got them all right. Okay, next row. 7 minus 6 equals 1, 6 minus 4 equals 2, 9 minus 8 equals 1, 5 minus 3 equals 2, 8 minus 1 equals 7. Check your answers on that row. 8 minus 6 equals 2, 10 minus 2 equals 8, 5 minus 4 equals 1, 7 minus 2 equals 5, 10 minus 8 equals 2. You can check that row. And then we have one more. 10 minus 7 equals 3, 3 minus 2 equals 1, 9 minus 7 equals 2, 5 minus 1 equals 4, 6 minus 5 equals 1. Okay, that's all of that page. I'm going to show you what else we have to do for work today. You're also going to do the back of page 127A, the guided class practice. Now you're going to do the back of that. So we did this side yesterday. So you might have to go back a section to find this one. We're going to do this side today. I will talk to you about the instructions, but I'm not going to give you all of the answers. If you think you need help, I would like for you to turn back to the front side and see if you can do them the same way that we did them together. That's how we did things when we did seat work. You would read through them and answer them for yourself, and I think that's good for you. I think you'll be able to do it. I don't need you to drive mom and dad crazy about it because you did it in school. You can do it while you're home for homework. Remember, you can do this, okay? Mom and dad don't need to do it for you. You can do it. Okay, so look here. It says that the first one, it says color all the congruent shapes yellow. Remember, congruent shapes are the same shape and same size. Okay, so find the ones that are congruent and color them yellow. Here there's a graph like we did yesterday. It says there are 6 boys and 8 girls. So you're going to color the graph and answer the questions. Down here on the clock, you're going to show 9:30 on both clocks. Remembering 9:30, you're cutting the clock in half. And then when you do 9:30, that would be 9:30. And you write it the same way that you say it. Okay. Here in the box, it says draw a 3-sided polygon in the box. So you want to draw your 3 points and then draw a 3-sided polygon. most likely the shape of a triangle. I can't imagine any other polygon. It's even possible to have a polygon that's not a three-sided polygon, that's not a triangle. That's the only possible polygon, right? That's three-sided. There's no other way. So draw a triangle in the box. Okay. All right, down here at the bottom, circle the rectangular prism. We talked about that rectangular prism. Is it kind of like, looks like a box in the shape of a rectangle. Okay, rectangular prism. And then down at the bottom, find the differences. We talked about this the other day. We're subtracting. If you want to draw a line between the columns, you can. Remember, you subtract the penny side first and then the dime side, or the 1 side and then the 10 side. And you're just going to subtract, just like we practiced doing this and adding. When you get done with those, you'll be on to your seat work pages. We have this language page. It says put the flavors of ice cream: chocolate, vanilla, cherry, lemon, strawberry, coffee, blueberry, lime, orange, pineapple, in ABC order. You'll see here they have number 1 and number 6 already in place. So you've got to figure 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 7, 8, 9, 10. So they're all mixed up. This is kind of a challenge. You might want to ask mom and dad for help if you're having a hard time. Do your best, okay? On the back, you get to write a few sentences and draw a few pictures. It says write a sentence about something on the playground. This could be a playground that you like to visit, or this could be a playground at our school. So you could write something about the slide, or the spinny thing, or the monkey bars, or the swings, or whatever you like. And then write a sentence about it and draw it in a box. Here, write a sentence about your house. Draw a picture of it in the box. You might say, my house has 10 windows. You can draw a picture of a house with 10 windows. Okay, just one sentence. That means 1 capital letter, 1 period. Number 3, write a sentence about your bedroom. Okay, draw a picture of it in the box. In my family, my boys might say, we have a bunk bed with 3 beds. It's called a triple bunk. Or my girls might say, we share a bedroom, or I have pink curtains, or whatever you could say about your bedroom. And then draw a picture of that in the box. The last thing you're going to do is your writing page. We did this page yesterday, so now we're going to do this page. It's got a poem about the postman, and you're going to do your warm-up. So your best job on that. Also be working on your 2020 memory journal if you have that handy. You want to make sure that you're filling those pages out. Ask mom and dad for help. If you're able to do it, it's going to be so worth it. Okay? All right. I hope you have a great day. Get your work done. Don't make excuses. Let me put on my teacher face. Don't make excuses. Get your work done. Mom and dad shouldn't have to call me and say, they're not doing their work. Do your work. I got your number. I know you can do it, okay? Each one of you can do it. I know you can. I'm very proud of you. I will talk to you later.